Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Looking at the vision of Shahid Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto Sahiba, and she envisioned the fact that there would be a lot of unemployment, and therefore the young boys and girls would be requiring vocational training to be able to earn their livelihood. Seeing the future very clearly, Shahid Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto Sahiba envisioned vocational training centers, and these were called skill training centers, and they were positioned in our rural areas so that children over there, youngsters over there, could get vocational training. We have then we converted them into ZABTech, more technical institutions, and we have about 10,000 at a time, 10,000 students in 10 units, which are 10 chapters which are working all over Sindh. And also this caters for a lot of students that are coming in, getting vocational trainings, and most of them are now being self-employed or are employed somewhere in other services. So vocational training is extremely critical and crucial for our youngsters who are unemployed, need jobs, and therefore have no skill and have no skills. So if they have to hone in their skills, they need to look at vocational training as the alternative to getting to being able to be employed. At the same time, this gap that is there in skills is college education, school education has to fulfill vocational training also. But unfortunately, our schools and institutions are not equipped to give vocational training in the higher secondary school level, and we have a government system of STEFTA which is not also does not do its job of giving vocational training to a large number of people, and therefore we need the private sector to be involved in vocational training, and I think we have done very excellent job. Now we have also spread out to Balochistan, where we in hub area we have now located a vocational training school for the Balochistan government, working on it. Balochistan government is supporting that vocational school, and is giving excellent services to the youngsters of Balochistan. So I think the need of the hour is more trained personnel, more skilled personnel, because semi-skilled, unskilled human resource does not get jobs, and this is what the need is. And I congratulate ZABTech on starting and be entering into the 25th year. In November we enter into the 25th year of their establishment, from Job Skill Training Centers onwards to ZABTech development. And these 25 years has been a long journey, and I think exceptional work has been done. And I would like to also, the Executive Director, Wahida Meher, has been instrumental in bringing about a revolution in vocational training. And I give her a lot of kudos for what work she has done. And this couldn't have been possible without dedicated people and a dedicated person like Wahida. So thank you very much, ZABTech. I'd like to congratulate all students who are passing out from ZABTech and who have got certifications and diplomas from ZABTech and are now able to be employed. So I feel that a further expansion of these services has to be done to bring about a real revolutionary change in our youngsters. Thank you.